The square drawn into one of the angles of a right triangle, 90 degrees. Math is about details and being sure of those details. When drawing a right triangle, we use a small square in the corner, parentheses, vertex or angle, end parentheses, of the right triangle, that is the 90 degree or right angle. Just to review, a right triangle or a 90-degree triangle is a triangle with exactly one angle measuring of 90 degrees. In an effort to be complete, a triangle can never have two right angles because 180 minus 90 is 0, and there is still a third angle of the triangle, which cannot be 0 degrees. Therefore, a triangle can have only one 90-degree angle, and the other two will have to be some amount less than 90 degrees each, with the total of the three angles of the triangle equaling 180 degrees. It is not enough to draw a right triangle with one angle drawn to 90 degrees. The 90-degree angle must be labeled so that viewers can be assured they are observing a right triangle. It is acceptable to write, quote, 90 degrees, end quote, in that angle, and it is also perfectly acceptable to draw a small square in that 90-degree angle. Consider that a square has four 90-degree angles. The small square drawn into the corner of a right triangle establishes that that angle is the right angle of the triangle, and therefore that that triangle is a 90-degree or right triangle. Antonyms: obtuse triangle, acute triangle. Related words: 90-degree triangle, right triangle, square, 90-degree angle, right angle.